Hello guys, I'm back with Pixel God 3D. This is me, Dark Lord, and this is my first time at Pirates. It's at the team flag capture app. Team one. So yeah, please guys, if you like this video, like it to staring me. Yes, I got the flag now. Run here, run here. Go in our ship here. Then touchdown. In here, hide, hide, hide. Someone stole our flag. Yes, this is the flag. Go in here, here, touchdown, 2 times touchdown. So, in here, up, down, yes. Go in here, no, no, what the fluff, fluff, yes. I got a quest complete, kill 5 enemies. Wow, I got a 3 times touchdown. No, I died. Why did I jump from there? Yes, I got the flag. We're gonna win. This is my first time, and this is an epic gameplay. I think I'm gonna go with this video epic gameplay. Yes. So, this guys, if you like it, please hit that like button and subscribe to my network or channel. Team one again. Let me see. They only tab 2. Go in here. Like is not here. Just wait, someone is killing me with a prototype. Then I kill them, but I only have 1 health left. Because the prototype is so strong. Yes, I got a touchdown with 1 health. I need to jump from here. Whee! In here. In here. Get the flag. Yes, I got the flag. I can get a touchdown. Here. Jump from here. Touchdown again. Da-da-da, stealing flags. Stealing flags. Where is he? She's not here. Nope, she's there. She's actually shooting me with her prototype. Wait from here now, here, here. Well, here. Yes, got the flag. Steal the flag, or stole the flag, whatever you want to call it. 3 times touchdown again. Yep. No, I only have 1 health left. No. Please, 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 please. Yes, I got a touchdown now. I need to jump from this ship to die. I actually like this Fire Orb or Ultimate Orb. I like this because it's have an early damage. Yes. Up in here. Go, 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 go. Go, go. Yes. Touchdown again. Stole the flag, stole the flag, stole the flag. But someone stole it. So waiting here. She actually had not stolen our flag. Yes, got the flag. She died. Yep, she died. No, no. Touchdown. Is there a turret there? Yep. Yeah. So guys, please, if you like this video, please like it and please subscribe to my network or channel. So, thanks guys.